Hey, welcome back. It's Ahmad, and in today's tutorial, we're gonna be learning how to change the analog to digital converter. So stick with me. So we're gonna be using this board that the Arduino for Minima, and we're gonna be also using this 10K potentiometer, so we can change the analog to digital converter. So one of the ends of this potentiometer goes to pin to 5 volts, and the middle pin I attach it to a 0, the analog pin, and the other end to ground, okay, like so. And now I connect my board with my laptop like that, okay. So now we go to the official website of the Arduino, so we can learn how to change the analog to digital converter. So that's the website, okay, where we're gonna be learning from. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to change the analog to digital converter ADC on an Arduino R4 Minima board. So by default, the resolution is set to 10-bit, okay, which can be updated to both 12-bit. So when we set, okay, by default the resolution to 10-bit, okay, it gives us a digital number that can go from 0 to 1023. But with Arduino R4 Minima, we can set the resolution to 12-bit, which give us a digital number from 0 up to 4096, and we can also set the resolution to 14-bit, okay, which give us a digital number that goes from 0 to a number less than this one, because I think they made a mistake here. Okay, so we increase the resolution to improve the accuracy on analog readings. Now, an analog to digital converter transforms, okay, as we know, an analog signal to a digital one, okay. So the standard resolution on Arduino boards like Arduino is set to 10-bit, okay. But with Uno R4 Minima, we can have to a 14-bit resolution, which can provide a more precise value from analog signals. Now I'm going to copy this piece of code, and I go to Arduino IDE. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so first off, the resolution I set it to 10, okay, to 10. So here we're gonna be having a digital number that goes from 0 to 1023, okay. So I want to print out the digital number in the serial monitor, so that's gonna be this number, okay. So now here I'm going to write, okay, serial begin, I mean serial print line, like so, okay, great. Now I go to tools, to board, Arduino Uno R4 boards, and I pick this one, okay. I go back to tools and I choose the right port. Is called 7, which is connected to Uno R4 Minima. Now I can upload the code. Okay, it's done. Now if I click on serial monitor, we're gonna be having this digital number, okay. Now I'm going to I'm going to the first number, so I'm going to turn it back so we can have 0. So I got to change this to 0 because the potentiometer is attached to a 0. Sorry. So now I upload again the sketch. Okay, it's okay. Now we can see 19, okay. Now if I can go back to 0, I want to go back to 0 to the first digital number, okay. So that the resolution is 10-bit, okay. So the last number is going to be 1023, okay. If I turn the shaft, if you want, okay, I want to go to the I want to reach the last digital number, which is the let us go and yeah, that's the last number. Now if I want, now I'm going to set the resolution to 12-bit, okay. I upload the sketch to 12-bit, okay. The last number here is, as we saw, is let me see, is, yeah, 4096, okay. So okay, great. Now if I go to serial monitor, okay, we can see, okay, I think they made a mistake again. I don't know, because here the last number is 4096, okay. Now if I go back, I can go back, okay. Maybe I can go back to 0. So that's 2000. I'm going to go back to 0. So that's the okay, go back, so to 0, yeah, 0, but it's given 1 0. Okay, so that's the when the resolution is 12-bit. Now if I put here 14-bit, okay, I think the last digital number here is going to be 16,384 or 3. Okay, now I upload the sketch. So I don't know why, but it's not giving me a 0. I don't know why. And now I want to go to the last number. Okay, last number, the max digital value. So that's 890, okay, 90, 11,000, 13,000 to the last number, yeah. So as I said, the last number is this one, okay? That's the last number. Okay, so we say that by default the resolution is set to 12-bit, okay? Why is that? That's because even if we take out the resolution, okay, the last number here will be 1023 by default, okay? When we say by default, it means that, okay? So now let us wait. As you can see here, by default, number, the digital, the last, so by default, okay, we get the max digital value is 1023, okay. When we don't precise the resolution, okay. Okay guys, so thank you so much and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.